Why do I need to give my spouse my financial documents? In Florida divorce cases, we look to the Florida Rules of Family Law Procedure. And within the rules, specifically 12.285, so that's again Florida Family Rules of Procedure 12.285, it details what mandatory disclosure is in Florida in a divorce or related matter in a family law context. So the reason why you have to give your spouse the information is that in order to come to a decision, come to a ruling for the court, they have to base it upon evidence, they have to base it upon the information. That's why a financial affidavit is required, and there's additional information and documents that are required pursuant to 12.285 if you're going to trial on your divorce or family law matters. So bank account statements, tax returns, pay stubs, credit card statements, life insurance policies, there's a delineated list within 12.285 which states what you need to provide during the process, and one of being is the financial affidavit, which we have other videos within our website about the financial affidavit and the form that is used in Florida to fill out a financial affidavit and the benefits for preparing a financial affidavit and having financial disclosure from your spouse. So basically it's an issue of transparency. So whether or not it's the judge making a decision or it's you coming to an agreement with your spouse. So because there's those two different options, the judge can tell you what to do or you guys can agree on it. So, and in order for you to agree on it as well, so obviously you got to do it if you go in front of the judge, and you got to abide by 12.285 and provide mandatory disclosure. That's why it's called mandatory. But in a settlement context, it's important to provide the information so the other side and you can come to a meeting of the minds. The two of you can both have an informed decision to be able to make an agreement, which then you would present to the court for the court to ratify. So it's hard to know what's going on and come to an agreement if you don't have that information. Now, there are parts of mandatory disclosure that can be waived, but the financial affidavit is not one of them. So, it's very important that you exchange these documents so that way you understand a little bit more about the financial picture and you can make an informed decision during your divorce or family law proceeding.